I want to see how your ads are performing in real time? Let's dive into a specific campaign inside Quick Ads. From the Quick Hub dashboard, open Quick Ads, then select Dashboard. First, review the high-level performance across all campaigns. This gives you a quick snapshot of reach, clicks, spend, and leads. Now, let's go deeper. Click Ads Campaign. Select the campaign you'd like to review, and the Detail view will open. Here, you'll see all the key campaign metrics: reach, impressions, clicks, CTR, cost, conversions, and CPA. Use the time filter to track performance across different periods, or apply breakdowns to compare results by channel, placement, or audience segment. This way, you can spot what's working, what needs improvement, and where to double down. That's it. Quick Ads gives you clear campaign-level insights, so you can optimize your next move with confidence.